Okay, so let's have situation 7. A 450 by 450 by 18 meters long precast concrete pile is to be lifted from the casting bed. The pile is lifted horizontally at 2 points for number 19. At what equal distance from the end should the pile be held so that the resulting bending stress is the least possible? Okay. Now, isa-isahin natin. No? The pile is lifted at 2 points. Ito yung ating precast concrete. So, it is 18 meters long. It will be lifted at equal distance from the end. At what equal distance from the end should the pile be held so the resulting bending stress is the least as possible? So, dito yung distance x natin. Of course, merong linear weight yung pile natin. No? Then, ito yung ating W. I mean yung ating tension. I-held natin sa dyan. At what equal distance? Na kung babasahin mo yung tanong, medyo nakakalito, no? So that the resulting bending stress is the least as possible. Actually, maximum bending stress is the least as possible yan. Pinakamalaking bending stress is the least as possible. So, ito yung concept. Daan muna natin sa concept. If this is length 18, x yan, this is L minus 2x. Yung bending moment diagram natin for that condition, it will look like this. May negative bending moment dito sa support, positive naman dito. It will look like this. Meron kang positive bending moment, meron kang negative bending moment. These two values are equal because equidistant siya dito. Moment diagram. Bakit nga sinabi the least as possible? Okay. Now, ganito kasi yung mangyayari. Kung halimbawa lang na, liitan natin yung distance x. Ayan. Liitan natin yung distance x. Yung absolute value ng negative moment, liliit. Yung absolute value. Pero yung positive moment naman, lalaki. No, mag-a-adjust yung positive moment. Lalaki siya. How much more kung dito lang, kung yung pick-up points natin dito sa dulo, mas lalaki yung positive moment. Now, kung i-move naman natin siya, masyadong malapit na siya dito sa gitna. Okay. Lalaki naman si negative moment kasi malaki yung overhang, magsastag yan. But liliit naman si positive moment. No? Yung absolute value lumaki. Ito nung absolute yung positive moment naman natin lumiit. So otherwise daw, kung mag-adjust yung negative moment, lalaki siya, liliit si positive moment. Kung liliit naman si negative moment, ibalik natin dito, liliit si negative moment, lalaki naman si positive moment. So yung least possible na maximum bending moment dyan is ito, merong isang point, ito, which is that one, na least possible. And by concept, dapat least possible siya, mag-i-equal yung values ng absolute values ng positive moment and negative moment. Para at least possible. Kasi nga, kung i-adjust natin, okay, habaan natin yung x, lalaki yung absolute value. Liliit naman si positive moment. Now, kung dito naman, data naman natin yung x, liliit yung ating maximum negative moment, but lalaki naman si positive moment. So, merong isang point na mag-i-equal yung positive and negative moment. And that is the least possible maximum bending moment. No? Yan yung least possible maximum bending moment dito. So, ang concept lang, para makuha ang location is dapat equal yung absolute values. Kung i-derive lang natin to ng mabilisan, okay, for the positive moment, nasa gitna yan, of course, with symmetry, L over 2. This part here is, take note, L over 2 yan, no? L over 2 minus x. That is L over 2 minus x. Ang reaction natin dyan sa tension is WL over 2. Your total weight natin is W times the length. Then, ma-divide lang evenly dahil symmetry. Okay, dito rin WL over 2. So, kung i-define mo yung positive moment dyan, by just cutting that one, imagine, i-cut natin dito, tingnan natin ang left side. The positive moment, it is just the T sa WL over 2. Take note, it is bending upward, positive bending. the moment arm is L over 2 minus X. Okay? Merong weight, may weight that will cause negative moment minus W, W times L over 2. That's the resulting force. Moment arm is L over 4. Nasa gitna ang resultant. Let it be, no? Lagay lang muna natin as ganyan. Now, for the negative moment, define the negative moment. Kinat natin dito. Ang magkakos ng negative moment is only this load. So, negative or downward bending. Negative W times X. W times X. Moment arm is X over 2. Kaya naging negative WX squared over 2. So, para maging at least maximum positive bending moment possible siya, they must be equal. Positive moment must be equal to the absolute. Yung absolute yung equate natin. Negative moment. So, yung positive moment natin is ito. Okay? Mabilisan lang. While the absolute negative moment, ito. Tanggalin mo yung negative, absolute yung in-equate natin. Magka-cancel dito yung W. Both sides. Okay, just do shift solve. Solve for X. Lagyan mo lang ng 1 ang L. Lagyan mo lang ng 1. Ang makukuha mo is yung 2P siya. 0.2071 in terms of L yan. This is the formula. For the least maximum moment, least maximum positive moment, to pick up points, equal points. Least maximum moment possible. Again, this is the formula. Kaya tandaan nyo lang to. Length is 18. Answer is 3.73 meters. Okay? Now, sa number 20, what equal distance from the end should the pile be lifted so that the resulting shear stress naman dito is smallest as possible. So, the same concept. Ito yung mangyaring shear diagram niyan. It will look like this. Pag ganyan. So, ito, meron siyang linearly changing, then akyat due to T, pababa naman, akyat due to T, and meron tayong maximum shear. Okay, ganun pa rin, no? Mag-a-adjust kung i-move natin yung X dyan, mag-a-adjust yung positive moment liliit. Kasi positive moment naman lalaki, liliit naman yung maximum negative moment. So, the same concept. The maximum positive shear must be equal to the maximum negative shear. Kung equal yan, dapat, take note, equal slopes yan, no? Kasi yan yung rate of change ng ating W. So, itong lahat are equilateral triangles. So, kung distance X yan, distance X dito dapat. Ito rin distance X din yan dapat. And this is also distance X. Ibig sabihin, yung X natin dito is just 1/4 of total length. Kasi 4 yan eh. 4X must be equals to the total length. Or L over 4 or 0.25 of L. This is your formula. This maximum possible shear to pick up points. 0.25 of 18, you have 4.5 meters. Formula na lang. Yung formula yung tatandaan natin. Okay? Next, number 21. The pile is lifted horizontally at 1.8 meters from each end. This time, meron ng particular location, 1.8 meters from each end. Find the maximum moment due to its weight. The unit weight of concrete is 24 kilonewton per cubic meters. Okay, this one is 18 minus dalawang 1.8. 14.4. Alright, kung papansinin nyo yung first problem, this one, yung answer natin. So, 0.2071, least maximum moment. So, 3.73. Ma-minimize yung ating maximum moment. So, yung pick up points dito sa number 3, particular at 1.8 meters. For sure, malaki yung ating positive moment compared to kinuha natin doon. Okay, anyway, ito yung magiging diagram ng moment. Okay, ganyan. Yung maximum moment natin dyan is dito, sa gitna. No? Klaro-klaro naman dito sa gitna. This negative moment, ito yung positive moment. Ito ang negative moment. Kunin muna natin si W. Yung cross-section is 450 by 450 mm. 450 by 450. Okay? Yung linear weight is just unit weight of the concrete times the cross-sectional area. So, unit weight is 24 kilonewton per cubic meters. Tingnan mo lang yung unit, kilonewton per cubic meters. The area is, okay, gawin kong meters, 0.45 by 0.45 squared. So, kung multiply mo yan ng meter squared, cancel, cubic meters to cancel. So, matitira kilonewton per meter na lang. Okay, meron tayong 4.86 kilonewton per meter. So, ang T, since symmetry lang yan, is just half of the total weight. T is just W times L, total weight, over 2. 4.86. No? I mean, 4.86 yung W, yung length is 18. Over 2, you have 43.74 yung T. Ang maximum moment natin will be at the center kasi symmetry. Putulin ko na lang, hindi ko na lang idadaan sa diagram. Puputulin ko na lang dito. Tingnan ko na lang ang left side. L over 2. Ang kalahati ng 18, you have 9. This is 1.8. So, meron tayong, pag pinutol natin dyan sa gitna, there is a shear force, of course. Yan, there is a shear force. Probably it is 0, no? Possible. Kasi peak yan dito. Then, moment. There is a maximum positive moment. Well, yung gusto natin dito is just a moment. This one is 9 minus 1.8, you have 7.2. Okay, define natin. Yung maximum moment natin dyan is the positive moment. 4.74, ito yan. Okay, it is bending upward, so positive moment. The moment arm is 7.2. Then minus. Okay, the resultant of the weight. 4.86 times 9 over 2. Okay, 4.86 times 9 times 9. That's the resultant. Ang moment arm naman yan is 9 over 2 kasi nasa gitna yan. So, ito yung maximum moment natin. 118.1 kilonewtons. Okay, just to add lang, no? Posible din itanong to. So, the pile is lifted horizontally at 1 point. 1 point lang. At what distance from the end should the pile? That should be at what distance from one end. Yan lang. Gawin ko lang. At what distance, additional ko lang to, no? From one end. So, at what distance from one end? So, one pick-up point lang to. Should the pile be held so that the resulting shear and bending stress is the least as possible. So, ipipick up lang natin siya at one end only. At the instant, magkakaroon ng reaction dito sa dulo. Una kasi nakalatag sa ground. Pag pick up natin dyan, magkakaroon to ng reaction at the instant. At the instant. So, distance x. At what distance x? Para least maximum positive moment. Ito siya is L minus x. So, ito lang yung concept. Hindi ko na siya derive, but the same concept. This is the shear and moment diagram. Now, dito sa shear, hindi na mag-i-equal yung negative and positive moment. They cannot be equal talaga kasi hindi na symmetry. Wala nang pick-up point dito. But yung mag-i-equal dito, dapat equal si negative moment. Both sides. Okay? Dito naman, kung negative, kung sa moment tayo, least maximum positive moment, equal si positive and negative. Ganun pa rin. Basta shear, hindi. So, principle for shear, since equal yung dalawang negative moment dyan, so, yung negative moment naman is just equal to the reaction. Kasi yan yung R, yung ibabalik siya pa 0. Yung R is equal to the absolute value of the negative moment. That's the concept. You can derive this one. Well, for moment, equate mo si positive moment and negative moment. Absolute yung ating equation. Absolute values are equal. So, for least maximum shear and moment, the same ang formula nila. It is 0.2929 of L. The same formula. This is for one pick-up point. Kanina, 2 pick-up points yung pinakita natin. Okay? So, Kung i-substitute natin, 2929 of 18, then 5.27. Again, for 1 pick-up point. This is not included in the exam. Inad ko lang dito para kompleto yung ating information.